That's right. Let's quickly run through some of the vendors who are here and are doing amazingly well. We have Afro by Nature. Afro by Nature. Now they sell natural hair. Yeah, natural hair products. Natural hair products that are actually infused with multivitamins to grow and nourish the hair. Yeah, they're called Afro by Nature. Now they're located right in front of the big screen beside, just right in front of the big screen, beside the banana tree. Okay, that's what they said. Now they're giving lots of giveaway with everything you buy. They're also giving 5% discount on all products plus extra free giveaway items. They're called Afro by Nature. You should check them out. They are amazing. If you have and you love your natural hair, then check them out. Second to the last stand on the right. Check them out, they've got discounts, they're doing fantastically well. I can tell you that for free. Versatile bag, don't miss it for anything. Check out what they have in store as well, send a discount, and you will be surprised and amazed. What you got? Quickly announce once more that the first masterclass will be starting at 3:30. Once again, 3:30. First masterclass will start at 3:30. Okay. All right. So let's give you that information quickly. It's been brought forward. But let's also let you know. We'll give you more information on that in a bit. Okay. We have in store ready to wear clothing brand for women. Dresses, pants, you have plaid suits and more. Stop by the store and enjoy. We're talking about MOT. MOT. They have not 10, not 20, but 15% off sale items. 15% off sale items. Let's tell you about that much more.
fi wọ́n mi lè suffering. I'm a yoruba rapper, that is in my culture. And I started from the church, that is my nature. Ọlọ́run tó pẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, tó tún tètè sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi máa wojú rẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ bí ti mi rọ̀. Ó tún máa dé mú ọmọ rẹ̀ lóhùn pẹ̀lú ọ̀nà Ọlọ́run tó bẹ̀ta. Every time I dey see myself dey party o. Every time I dey see myself on my demo. Every time I dey see myself dey jolly o. Why na for demo? Why na for la o? Every time I dey see myself dey party o. Every time I dey see myself on my demo. Every time I dey see myself dey jolly o. Why na for demo? Why na for la o? People are crying, people are suffering. Mo mọ̀ pé jọ̀kọ̀ máa fi wọ́n mi lè suffering. I'm a Yoruba rapper, that is in my culture. And I started from the church, that is my nature. Ọlọ́run tó pẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, tó tún tètè sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi máa wojú rẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ bí ti mi rọ̀. Ó tún máa dé mú ọmọ rẹ̀ lóhùn pẹ̀lú ọ̀nà. Èmi mọ̀ pé mi ò fine but mi ò jọ ọ̀rọ̀. This is Messi, Baba God have mercy. Ó kò ní tàn jù Lionel Messi. Ọlọ́run tún mọ̀ pé lọ́sàn-án lóru, ó máa dá mi lóhùn o. Tí bá pé jù gan, kò ní dá mi lóhùn. Every time I dey see myself dey party o. Every time I dey see myself on my demo. Every time I dey see my.
Hello everyone, this is Mute Blackline reporting live from 2023 edition of the GT Co Fashion Weekend. I've seen some really lovely outfits, some lovely pieces here. Really looking nice. I hope I don't break my bank. Guys, just come through and have a nice time. Yeah, that's it. Have a nice time and shop new fashion trends. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, I'm Oluwabusayomi.
Hi, I'm Oge.
We are live at GTCO
Fashion 2023.
We are having fun. Thank you.